Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new research project called as InstructEdit. This is quite an interesting project because it really opens up the door for large language model modularities. Knowledge editing for large language models can offer an efficient solution to alter a model's behavior without negatively impacting the overall performance. However, the current approach encounters issues with limited generalizability across tasks, necessitating one distinct editor for each task, which significantly hinders the broader applications. To address these researchers have taken the first step to analyze the multitask generalization issue in knowledge editing. They have developed an instruction based editing technique termed InstructEdit, which facilitates the editor's adaptation to various task performances simultaneously using simple instructions. As you can see in this example, with only one unified editor for each LLM, they have empirically demonstrated that InstructEdit can improve the editor's control, leading to an average more than 14% increase in reliability in multitask editing setting. Moreover, experiments involving holdout unseen tasks illustrate that InstructEdit consistently surpass previous strong baselines. To further investigate the underlying mechanisms of instruction-based knowledge editing, they have analyzed the principal components of the editing gradient directions, which unveils that instructions can help control optimization direction with stronger generalization. Now, if you really go through in detail around this paper, in this figure you can see that the single task editor excels in specific tasks, as I mentioned, like turning screws, but fails in other like driving nails. And if you look at the bottom half of this diagram, the vanilla multitask editor, all data mixed together, still struggles to choose the right tool for varied tasks without the aid. That is why they have proposed InstructEdit, enabling the multitask editor to respond aptly, such as using a hammer for nails with instructional guidance. In this another example, you can see that assuming access to multi-domain task data, law, geography, medicine and math, for single task editing, original editing is domain specific. For example, a geography editor edits geography related knowledge but can't transfer it to medicine. In the multitask editing, previous methods such as pre-editor trained across domains, law, geography, and math, often misdirect in distributed task editing. And for OOD task editing, such as medicine, a lack of guidance leads to missing the correct edit region. Instructions enable precise editing and improve generalization. So that is where they have utilized GPT-4 to generate instructions through well-crafted prompts and have evaluated metrics using the trail editor, and then employ GPT-4 for continuous instruction optimization, enhancing the instruction until there is no further improvement in matrices. If you go through this paper, there are a lot of nuggets around. Unfortunately, there is no code and weight available, so I can't show you in action. But the way they have focused on this new problem of knowledge editing for LLMs, they have introduced this multitask editing, illustrating the limitations of existing knowledge editing approaches in task transferability and presenting a viable solution InstructEdit. They have proposed approach that can effectively guide the editor for precise editing, with its effectiveness confirmed through comprehensive experiments and visualization analysis. Also, their work can enrich the field by contributing high quality instructions, building on foundations of various existing popular knowledge editing task datasets. So I really am waiting very passionately for them to release the code, and as soon as that is done, I am going to show you how you can play around with it locally. That's it. Let me know your thoughts on this new research. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.